guys, if you're looking to buy a car, this is 5 reasons why you want to have a down payment. Number 1 is you'll pay less interest on your vehicle. Remember, the more money you put down, the less interest you'll pay. Number 2, you may get approved faster for a loan, especially if your credit scores are low. Remember this, if you look to lease a vehicle and you don't have that certain credit score you need, you know you got issues with your credit, remember, when you lease, you probably don't notice, when you lease, the more money you put down, the better it helps your situation. Let me just give you another tip. If you know your score is low and you can pay all your payments up front on your lease, you get qualified. It doesn't matter what your credit score is. So let me give you an example. If you qualify for that lease with $300 and you're looking to do a 3-year lease, take your $300, multiply that by 36 months. That just kind of gauge you how much money you have to come up with. It's a pretty good example, but it's not a great example, but that'll give you an idea what your payment will be. We have other factors that go into that, but we call it paying your lease up front. It doesn't matter what your credit is. They will approve you because you're paying all your lease payments up front. Number 3, your monthly payment could be lower. Gotta remember, the more money you put down, less interest, and that also means that your payment will be lower. Number 4, General Motors, Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, Kia, they have special programs out there. In some cases, if you are looking to buy a car and you need to ask the dealer, is there any special programs available? Meaning that you may see deals advertised on TV, radio. It's always a small print. They may say, see dealer for more details. That's letting you know that you may have to put so much money down to qualify for that special rate. Maybe it might be 0% for 72 months. Maybe it might be 1.9 for 60 months. Who knows? But always ask about those special programs. Number 5, last reason why you want to put money down, offset the depreciation of the car. Remember, if you do no money down, in some cases, you may end up upside down in your vehicle. Remember, when your vehicle walks off the lot, you lose 15% each year. And in some cases, when you buy a new car, the first year, you have 25% depreciation. People are not thinking about that. So if you have the money down, then use your money down. That's as simple as putting that money down. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, put comments in the bottom and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.